Oh, those are Fosgates.
Yeah.
Are they what P? Are they a P series?
P1.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice. Oh, those are Fosgates.
Yeah.
Are they what P? Are they a P series?
P1.
Can I come in?
Yeah.
Okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Charle, 4 Fosgate T115s.
Okay.
2 Fosgate 2500 ones.
Alright.
Fosgate 804 for the mids, and Fosgate 400 on tweeter.
Very nice. All Fosgate pretty much.
All Fosgate, everything
Awesome.
but the head unit.
Yes, sir. You like Fosgate? A good brand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's the only one I really rock with.
Yes, sir. Alright.
Good job, dude.
Who built the box?
Dude named Larry.
Larry. Okay.
Larry.
Do you know what it's tuned to?
I don't remember.
It's all good. Very nice. Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Charle system he showcased at the Summer Showcase show in Jacksonville, Florida area. Pretty impressive to see how loud this system got. Haven't seen T115 in its Fosgate system video in a while, so I'm really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. I like the box layout. Very unique to have a double subwoofer box system. So he's probably got 2 different chamber boxes the way that looks like the box was built. That's how I would guess. Maybe it was 1 box, but it looked like it was 2 separate. So each 2 subset had its own chamber based on how I saw that port. But maybe it didn't. Definitely a unique style. Having the subs up and the port up. I personally would have had subs up, port back. But since the back of the box was actually right at the back of the hatch of the SUV, having the port in the center between the subs probably was most optimal for this concept. 90% of the systems I see usually don't have the port in the middle, so let me know in the comments what y'all think about having port in the middle between the subs. And I was curious about the specs of these, so this is what I found online on the Fosgate site. They're rated at 1000 watts RMS with a 230 ounce magnet. I like that he has it right at the window line too, so whenever he competes, it meets for that qualification. Didn't find out the actual SPL score or even get to look at the amps up close, but the amps were actually mounted behind the box, behind the seats. Didn't open the seats up. This was a really short demo. Only got about 3 minutes of demo footage for y'all seeing it play. So sorry about that. This is a little bit of an older video, but I'm glad to share it still. This is 415-inch subwoofers on 5,000 watts RMS. I also don't know what the electrical system was, but I'm going to assume he's got a high output alternator and at least 2 batteries back there. So let's get this 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. It's all good? Very nice. all good, man. Hey, thank you for the demo, man.
All right, no problem.
What was your name?
Charles.
Charles. Jacob. YouTube, JacobViral. I do a lot of videos every day. For the last 3 years, I haven't missed a day.
Yeah.
So you'll love it.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah.
All right, Jacob, nice meeting you.
You too, man. Charles, you have a good day, man. Thank you for you want to take a picture and remember, some people do. Take a file. Subscribe if you haven't.
Gotcha.
You're on YouTube too.
All right, man.